G'day. Welcome back to another video here again in Auckland at the beautiful Viaduct. I'm actually running a workshop this weekend, and we are catching up with quite a few of our students who are all beginners, I should say, looking to get started. Well, majority are beginners, looking to get something started selling on Amazon Australia and Amazon Australia / New Zealand. You know, by the way, 6 months ago, New Zealanders used to have to buy from Amazon USA. They were disadvantaged. Now, Amazon Australia and New Zealand are now merged, which is great news for you as a seller. So if you're looking to sell on Amazon New Zealand, there's actually never been a better time than right now, because it's opened up. Amazon Australia is exactly the same as Amazon New Zealand now, and New Zealanders can buy from Amazon Australia and basically get their products delivered from Australia, which has never been happening before. The biggest challenges people have when getting something started is they don't really know what the next steps are. So number one, I just mentioned there, Australia and New Zealand are now merged. A lot of people don't know that, right? So they think they have to sell on Amazon USA. Amazon USA is just one platform, and it is a big platform, but there's a lot of competitors. Amazon Australia is begging essentially for sellers, because there just isn't enough sellers selling in Australia. There just isn't. There's a big population in Australia, big population in New Zealand, not enough people selling on the platform. So they're essentially begging for more people to jump on and start selling. So it's a massive advantage if you're looking to get something started. Sell on Amazon Australia and New Zealand first. Don't bother with Amazon USA unless, of course, it's a relatively new product and no one is really selling it in the USA, right? In Australia, you'll find that in most categories, in most like pet products, kitchen categories, homewares, you'll find that the majority, there just isn't enough people selling. A very low competition. There's a lot of people buying them, just not enough people selling them. So it's a big advantage for you as an Amazon seller to basically do that. So if you're looking to get something started, guys, give us a call in the office. The number's on the screen. We have a New Zealand number there, and I'd love to have a chat with you. I'd love for you to join one of our free events as well. Every year, we're trying to do them more often now, but every year we come to Auckland, and we do a live workshop down here in Auckland, where we sort of focus on finding product ideas, finding suppliers, basically getting started, opening up your Amazon account. We look at how to identify trends. We look at what are products right now that people are buying. We look at a whole bunch of different things like that. The whole purpose is really just to get you started with finding products and getting you to take action. Sometimes people need to come to an event, to a live workshop, to actually do stuff. If you're one of those people, then it might be a good idea for you to attend. Have a great day. Give us a call in the office if you are interested. Even if you're not wanting to come to the workshop, if you just want to get something up and running on Amazon, give us a call in the office. We'd love to have a chat with you. All right, bye for now. See you later. Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it.
I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time, and if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have in knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after
email questions or send text messages and things, and usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable, I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, find my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.
Absolutely, I'll be recommending this to all my friends and family.
Yep, I'd be an advocate for it. The 10 basic steps makes it so easy and really simple and clear.
For sure, this is the best move that I had.
I couldn't have done it without them pretty much. It's been really good.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah, for sure. Very informative.
It's not possible to make a success in a short time without someone to support and mentor you.
Definitely do it. It's another income stream.
Yeah, that they should definitely join the program because, sometimes you find a lot of information on the internet and then you don't know where to start.
Alex and the whole team are just really genuine.
Oh, highly recommend it. I'm a very hands-on person, so I like to see things before I do them.
If I had a problem, I either rung him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or answer my call, and he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome.
It's really good, gives you a really good insight, and just having the knowledge that you've got a team behind you that you can speak to and grab advice from, just to go for it. Really highly recommend it. These people are genuine people.
Absolutely. I've done a lot of different seminars over the years. Alex conferences are number one.
Do it in a heartbeat. I wouldn't second guess it. Do it. You get so much out of it, and knowing that you have such a great supporting team behind you.
I'd say it's probably one of the best courses. I've actually done other courses, and for a starting person, this is the ideal way to start.
This has been really good, this training, all the way around, at home and here over the last 2 days.
There's lots of things to learn, and you'll have a really good time trying to find and reach your goals.
I work shift work, I send him text messages at random hours, and he always seems to get back to me, or emails, get back to me really fast.
They know their stuff. I just got to trust them.
Very down to earth, very approachable, and extremely helpful.
I can honestly highly recommend that if you want a successful business in Amazon, join Alex and his team. You won't be sorry.
And that you've got someone to talk to. If you've got a question, there's an actual person that you can talk to, and they're really, really helpful.